What's the meaning of accumulation? Accumulation. 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 Accumulation is the act of collecting or amassing something over time. It can refer to the collection of physical objects, such as money or possessions, or the collection of information, such as knowledge or experience. Accumulation can have both positive and negative consequences. On the one hand, it can lead to increased wealth, power, and knowledge. On the other hand, it can lead to greed, hoarding, and a lack of sharing. Briefly, accumulation is the process of collecting or amassing something over time. It can have both positive and negative consequences.